Hi, and welcome to this new chapter. Here in this lecture, we will learn about map operator. Map is one of the most useful operator and one of the most easily understandable also, I will say. So what map does? So map transmits items after applying a function to modify the item. So the function will modify the item before it emits. So let's see how does the map operator works so that you understand this better. We'll create again the class in the project that we have. We'll call it the map operator. So let's see what we have done. Basically, we have created the class, and inside that we have taken 10 positive numbers, and then we are applying the map function to it. So map operator will take the function one by one and just return by doubling it. So this what will do will give you the numbers from 1 to 10, but it will multiply before it gets to the subscriber. Let's run this and see if this works. So here you are seeing that the number which we are getting is from 2 to 20 because we took 1 to 10 and then applied a map operator. Then within that we are just transforming the stream of events that we are having. So map operator will transform the events and then emit it. Thanks. In next chapter we will look at flat map operator.